Tax reform legislation has passed in both the House and in the Senate and is likely to become a law by year-end. According to a Goldman Sachs report that recently came out, prediction markets are showing an 80% chance of legislation being passed into law by year-end, which is up greatly from October's number of only a 20%. And we're seeing a 95% implied probability of having a tax reform law by the end of the first quarter. But according to the Goldman Sachs report, the benefit for corporations will be quite small, and the effective corporate tax rate will only be dropped by a few percentage points. We also saw a last-minute addition to the Senate bill, which would keep the current 20% alternative minimum tax, which means less of a benefit from the tax reform for tech stocks than we had previously thought. Goldman Sachs economists expect the legislation to boost growth 0.3 percentage points in 2018 and 2019, and note the effect in 2020 and beyond looks minimal and could actually be slightly negative. The 0.3 percentage point boost in growth estimated from Goldman is higher than many of the other estimates that we've seen, but it is much lower than what Republicans are expecting, and that's the bottom line.